Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here, and I'm on my lunch break making this quick video, and I wanted to make a video about the Power Lead system, why it is one of the best online income making opportunities around, and I'm going to show you how powerful it is at not only helping generate leads so that you have leads that you can use those leads to talk to about your primary business. If you don't have a primary business, you can communicate with them about the Power Lead system, and it is an income generating machine. Okay, so if you don't know already, let me back up a few steps. The Power Lead system is an all-in-one marketing suite. It allows you to it has an autoresponder. It allows you to create capture pages. It allows you to create sales pages, duplicate with your team, and create funnels for training and all types of things like that. Okay, so it's an all-in-one marketing toolbox. Okay, and it also is a commission machine. It allows you to get commissions that go from $6, $20, $100, and $400 all in one commission structure. So you can create $500 days with this system. So what I wanted to do is just quickly show you some of the results that I've been getting from using our traffic co-op that we have with the Power Lead system with our team, which is the Freedom Takers. And then I want to talk to you about what you get when you partner with me and how you could use this same system and begin not only generating leads, but also generating extra income. Okay, so what I want to say is when you come in at the gold level, you pay $53.97 a month, and you get unlimited $20 commissions when people come in and partner with you. So today is March 15th, 2018, and today I got 3 gold members. Okay, so I made $60 today. Okay, and leads are still coming in. Okay, I also had about 176 opt-ins between yesterday and today, and then yesterday I had a gold, and then I had 2 golds the day before that. I had other leads that came in from my other businesses. Let's see, let's go down to the 9th. I got a free lead from the free lead system, which you can use as part of the Power Lead system. I got a free lead. And then I got another gold the day before that. I got 5 free prospects. Actually 5. And then the 2 days before that, I got an extra one. I had, let's go back down. I'm just going to scroll for a little bit. I mean, I could keep going. More leads. I had a PLS customer and then 2 golds. Another PLS customer. I had a fast start bonus on the 26th. And a fast start bonus is a $400 bonus. And then like a couple days before that, I had a diamond. And a diamond is a $100 commission. So I've just been really getting a lot of golds. A lot of people want the fast start bonus and the diamonds. And I remember my sponsor saying to me, no, focus on the gold and building the golds. The fast starts are nice. The diamonds are nice, but focus on building your goals. And now I'm starting to see the consistency of the goals coming in, and I'm getting excited because it's building your monthly residual income. Stacking those $20 commissions over and over again builds your residual income. So, and that's what I'm looking forward to. You know, I teach. Probably see the sign behind me. I'm a health teacher. So behind me are my ground rules for some of the things that we talk about in this class. But during the summers, we don't work. I don't work for 2 months of the year. I know everyone says, oh, that's nice. I would like to not work. But you don't have money coming in during the summer either, right? So, and really it's beyond, a lot of people don't understand this, but really it's beyond the summer because you don't get your first paycheck until, I want to say like 2 to 3 weeks after the semester even starts, the new semester, because it's a lag payroll. So you really have to budget your income through those 2 months that you're not working, and then really I would say into like a additional 2 to 3 weeks into the fall. So it's almost like 2.5 months to 3 months that you need to come up with income. So I love this system because it's positioning me to earn income, to earn residual income, and to be able to have income coming in when I am not working. And that's the power of this system, is that it positions you to get leads, to the autoresponders communicating with them about this opportunity and your primary business, so that while you're asleep, leads are still coming in. I'm at work right now. I'm on my lunch break, and these goals came in at 10:07 a.m. I got to work at 8:30. Okay, so while I was at work, I was getting paid. Okay, when I'm asleep, you know, leads are coming in, sales are coming in. So this funnel is very powerful. And the last thing that I just really wanted to say is that this is newbie friendly. And what I mean by that is our Freedom Takers team has simplified the process of marketing online. Okay, and how have they done that? How have we done that? What we've done is when someone joins as a gold member, immediately they receive a welcome email from me. And in that email, it gives them the link to our training funnel. They can go straight to that training funnel, get trained, know the steps on how to set up their lead capture page in their funnel, and go out and the same day or the next day start promoting using the training that we offer and start earning income. And it's that simple. So I'm just very excited about this system and helping other people position themselves to stop struggling online, to not know how to market, to, you know, be getting little measly commissions when you could, in one power structure, get 100, 420, and $6 commissions if you position yourself as a platinum member, or if you position yourself as a diamond member, you could get $100 commissions in addition to the golds. So it's all about positioning yourself. It's all about using the training that we have, and learning how to market online, because you could take that training and market any program if you know how to market. A lot of people don't know how to do it, or they think that just posting in Facebook groups all day is marketing, and then they say, oh, I didn't get any results. Well, if that's your only form of marketing, well, good luck with that. You know, like, you have to know where to market to get the best results, how to market to get the best results, so you're not spinning your wheels. And I've learned some great marketing, you know, things from the mentors in this program. And now I am able to mentor other people into making money online. So I hope this was of value to you. What I want you to do is check out the comment section below. There'll be some information on how you can connect with me. I would love to plug you into our proof group, where you could see that this really works, how it works, ask any questions that you have, and let's see how we can get you started making income online. All right, so that's it. Here's to your success online. I look forward to connecting with you. Check out the comment section. Bye, guys.